Hello students, in the previous video exercise 7.1 the last problem is 11th one. So to do the 12, 13, 14 and further problems we need to learn new topic, that is median. So here is the definition. Median is another frequently used measure of central tendency. So what is its formula? The median is simply the middle term of the distribution when it is arranged either in ascending or descending order. So arrange the given observation either in ascending or descending order, then the middlemost value is called a median. For example, if n number of observations in the data arranged in ascending order or descending order, so there are total n observations are there. So then if n is an odd number, that means for example number of observations 7, number of observations 9, number of observations 5. So these are odd numbers. So then the median is what? N plus 1 by 2th observation is a median. That means it will become middlemost value. Sometimes number of observations even number 6, 4, 8. In this case, how will you select the middlemost value? It is not possible, na? So then the two middlemost values will come when n is an even number. In this case, the two middlemost values arithmetic mean answer is a median. So arithmetic mean of two middle observations, one is n by 2th, another one n by 2 plus 1th, is the median of the data. Let's see example 7. So here find the median of 9 observations. So these are 9 observations. So answer first ascending order of the data. Your wish you can arrange in descending order. It is also correct. So ascending order of the data is, here is ascending order. So here how many observations? N equals to 9. 9 is a odd number. So if 9 is odd number, see here, if n is an odd number, then n by 2 plus 1th observation is a median. So n plus 1 by 2th observation, what is that? 9 plus 1, here 9 plus 1 divided by 2 equals to 10 by 2. So it is equals to 5. So fifth observation is a median. What is the fifth observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth observation is 35. Therefore the median is 35. Next example 8. If another observation 61 is also included to the above data, what would be the median? Above data means example 7. Here total 9 observations are there. So in the example 8 is asking to include one new observation, that is 61. So same first ascending order. So here is ascending order, okay, and included 61. Then here total how many observations? 10 observations. 10 is a even number, no? So if n is a even number, what is the formula? Arithmetic mean of two middle observations. First observation n by 2, second observation n by 2 plus 1. So then here see n by 2 means 10 by 2, 10 by 2 means fifth observations. So here is a fifth. Next n by 2 plus 1. So n by 2 plus 1. n by 2 plus 1 means 10 by 2 plus 1. 10 by 2 means 5 plus 1 is sixth. So sixth observation. So in this ascending order, fifth and sixth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 35, 36. So its arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean means sum of observations divided by total number of observations. So 35 plus 36 divided by 2, it is equals to 35.5. So next coming to exercise 7.1. So here 12th problem. Find the median of the data 3.3, 3.5, 3.1, 3.7, 3.2, 3.8. Let's arrange the given observations in ascending order or descending order. So I am arranging in ascending order. So here first smallest number is what? 3.1 is the smallest number. Next 3.2. Next 3.3. Next 3.5. Next 3.7. And the last one 3.8. So here total how many observations? Number of observations in the bracket small n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 observations. But 6 is a even number. So therefore median equals to arithmetic mean of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th observations. So then arithmetic mean of n by 2 means 6 by 2 and 6 by 2 plus 1th observations. So arithmetic mean of 6 by 2 answer, third observation, 6 by 2 plus 1, fourth observation. So in the ascending order, what is the third observation? 3.3, fourth observation 3.5, arithmetic mean. So that means sum of observations divided by total number of observations. So 6.8 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 threes are 2.4, 3.4. So median answer is 3.4. Next to 13th problem. The median of the following observations arranged in ascending order is 15. So median answer given 15, and he said these observations are in ascending order. So no need to arrange again in ascending order. So given that the median equals to 15. So next to number of observations, it is denoting with small n. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 observations. 7 is a odd number. So therefore the median equals to n by 2. N plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2 observation is a median. So 7 plus 1 by 2 observation. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 by 2, fourth observation. So from the question, they are already in the ascending order. The fourth observation is 1, 2, 3, 4. X minus 3 is a fourth observation. So therefore median is x minus 3. But in the question, the median answer given. What is the median answer? 15. This is a median answer, 15 also median answer. So then we can equate the both. X minus 3 equals to 15. X equals to 15 plus 3. So then x equals to 18. So our required answer is 18. Next topic is mode. This is a third central tendency value. The mode definition is, the mode is simply the most frequently occurring value. The most frequently occurring value is called a mode, and this mode is useful in different situations when we need to know what is a favorite uniform color in a class or most selling size of the shirt in the shop. We use mode. So observe the example 9. In a shoe mart, different sizes of shoes sold in a week are here 7 number size, 9 number, 10 number, 8 number, so dash. So which size of the shoes must be kept more in number of for next week to sell? Give the reason. So here if you write the observation in the data in order, here 3 repeated 2 times, so here once and here once, so written at the first place. Next to 4, so where is a 4? Here is a 4. Next to 5, 5 repeated 5 times, here 1 2. Next to 3, here 4. Like this arranged all shoe sizes in a particular order. In this order, from the data it is clear that 7-inch size shoes are sold more in number. Why? Because here 3 repeated 2 times, 4 is only once, 5 repeated 4 times, 6 repeated 2 times, 8 repeated 3 times, 9 repeated 5 times, 10 repeated 3 times, but 7 repeated more number of times compared with another size. Okay, thus the mode of the given data is 7. So 7-inch size shoes must be kept more in number for sale next week. Next example 10. The blood group of 50 donors participated in blood donation camp are A blood group, AB blood group, B, A, O, AB, like this total 50 blood groups given. So find the mode of the above verbal data. By observing the data, we can find that A group in repeated for 12 times, B group repeated 7 times, AB group repeated for 12 times, O group is repeated for 19 times. So mode of the data is O group because O group repeated more number of times compared with the other blood group. So that is why mode of the data is O group. Next exercise 7.1, 14th problem. Find the mode of 10, 12, 11, 10, 15, 20, 19, 21, 11, 9, 10. So here 10 repeated, otherwise write 10 at one place, so 10, next one more 10, next here 110, next 11 repeated 2 times, 11 comma 11, next to 12 only once, next to 15 it is also only once, next to 19 only once, 20 only once, 21 only once, here 9 right at the beginning. So here 10 repeated 3 times, 11 repeated 2 times, remaining all came only once. So here 10 repeated most frequently. So therefore the mode of a given data is how much? 10. Next to 15th problem. Mode of the certain score is x. If each score is decreased by 3, then find the mode of the new series. So for example, I am taking some numbers 1, 2, 2. Next as per the question mode is x na, so x should be repeat more number of times, so x comma x comma x 4 3 5. So these are one data. It is very clear x is repeated more frequently, so here mode answer is what? X. Now what is asking if each score is decreased by 3. So then what will happen? The observations, if each score is decreased by 3, so then let us decrease 1 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3, 4 minus 3, 3 minus 3, 5 minus 3. 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1, minus 1, x minus 3 as it is. Next 4 minus 3 1, 3 minus 3 0, 5 minus 3 is 2. So then here which is the most frequently value? X minus 3 na? So here what is our mode? X minus 3. So we can understand the mode of a data is x, and if each observation is decreased by 3, then mode will be decreased by same number. What is that? X minus 3. Next to 16th problem. Find the mode of all digits used in writing the natural numbers from 1 to 100. Digits means 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, first digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are called digits. So find the mode of all digits used in writing the natural numbers from 1 to 100. So the natural numbers from 1 to 100 are start from 1 end with 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dash up to 100. These are the natural numbers from 1 to 100. Let's fill this table. First digit, next number of times repeated. First 0, see from here to here numbers. So 0 repeated here 1, next 2, next 3, next 4, next 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, sorry here 11. So total 11 times 0 repeated. Next 1. So here 1, here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next here 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and here 21. Next digit is 2. So here 1, 2, next here 3, 4, 5, 6, here 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, next 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 times. Similarly, you can observe the remaining digits. So 20, 20, 6 repeated 20 times, 7 repeated 20 times, 8 repeated 20 times, 9 repeated 20 times. So from this table we can, which digit is repeated most frequently? Here 1 repeated most frequently. So 1 repeated most frequently. So then what is a mode answer? The mode is 1. Next 17th question. Observations of a raw data are 5, 28, 15, 10, 15, 8, 24. Add 4 more numbers so that the mean and median of the data remain the same, but mode increases by 1. First given observations are, so let's find out the mean answer first. Mean equals to sum of observations divided by total number of observations. So 5 plus 28 plus divided by total number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 observations. Let's add these all numbers. 105 divided by 7. So 7 ones are 7. What is the remainder? 3, 7 5s are. So mean answer is 15. Next let's find out the median. To find out the median, arrange the given observation in ascending order. So the first observation is 5, next observation is 8, next 10, 15, 15, next 24, 28. So number of observations number of observations n equals to, what is that, 7. So 7 is a odd number. So then the median answer is the middlemost value. That means n plus 1 by 2 observations. So the n plus 1 by 2 means 7 plus 1 by 2. 7 plus 1 by 2 observation. 8 by 2, that is fourth observation. What is the fourth observation? 15 is the fourth observation. So median is 15. Next to mode answer. In the given observations, 15 repeated. So here 15 repeated more frequently. So therefore the mode of the given data is how much? 15. So mean 15, median 15 and mode also 15. Now as per the question, add 4 more numbers, so that already 7 numbers given, add 4 more numbers so that mean and median of the data remain the same. Even you adding 4 more numbers for these 7 numbers, then total 11 numbers will become. So then mean and median remains the same. That means mean and median answer is again 15, but mode increases by 1. So mode increases by 1. But actually what is the mode of the data? 15. If it increases by 1, so then the new mode equals to how much? 15 plus 1 equals to 16. So that means 16 must be repeated most frequently compared with the other numbers. But already 15 repeated 2 times, that is why we said mode answer is 15. But now the new mode is 16. So 16 must be repeated more than 2 times. Then only mode will become 16. So more than 2 times means maybe 3 times or 4 times. If 16 repeated 4 times, then mean median will be not same answer, it will be changed. So that is why it is repeated only 3 times. So let 3 numbers are 16 comma 16 comma 16. So then the total observations, how many? 10 observation. Now one more number I am taking as a x. Okay, so then all observations let us write once. Now let's find out the mean answer. Mean equals to sigma xi divided by capital N. Sigma xi means add all observation, 5 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15 plus divided by 11. But as per the question, mean remains same. So no changes in the mean even you adding the 4 observations. So that is why actually mean is how much? 15. So 15 equals to, let's add these all numbers. 153 plus x divided by 11. Let us find out the x value now. So 11 transpose to left side. So 15 into 11, 153 plus x. 15 into 11, so 561, 165 minus 153 equals to x. So now 165 minus 153 equals to how much? 12. So the fourth number is how much? 12. So therefore the 4 numbers are, therefore required 4 numbers are 16 comma 16 comma 16 and fourth one is 12. So this is our required answer. Next to 19th question. 6 numbers from a list of 9 integers are 7, 8, 3, 5, 9 and 5. So there are 9 integers but he gave only 6 numbers. So find the largest possible value of the median of all 9 numbers in this list. So first of all, total numbers, it is denoting with a small n. So it is equals to how many? 9 numbers. Okay, 9 is a odd number. If 9 is a odd number, then the median equals to n plus 1 by 2th observation. So it is equals to 9 plus 1 by 2th observation. So that is 9 plus 1 10, fifth observation. So fifth observation is the median. Let's arrange the given observation in ascending order. So ascending order of given observation. First one 3, next to 5, 5 repeated 2 times, 7, 8, 9. So he is asking what is the largest possible value of the median. See, what the missing 3 numbers are left side of a 9. So then the fifth place will not be 9. Am I right? If the missing numbers is more than 9, so then the fifth place is not a 9. So 9 is not possible value of a median. So then next 8 is there. So if the missing 3 numbers are greater than 9, that means after 8, then the median will become 8. If the 3 numbers are before 8, then the median is maybe 5 or 7, but is asking largest possible value. That means we need to take the missing 3 numbers greater than 8. Then what is the fifth observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So definitely 8 is a largest possible value of median. Next, last question in this exercise. The median of the set of 9 distinct means different observations is 20. So 9 different observations median is 20. If each of the largest 4 observations of the set is increased by 2, find the median of the resulting set. So from the question, number of observations n equals to 9. 9 is a odd number. If n is a odd number, then the median equals to n plus 1 by 2th observation. N plus 1 by 2 means 9 plus 1 by 2th observation. So fifth observation is a median. But in the question, each of the largest 4 observations, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, here is a fifth one, next 6, 7, 8, 9. So each of the largest 4 observations of the set is increased by 2. Largest 4 means fifth observation right side only na. If these 4 observation increased by 2, okay, is there any effect for the fifth observation? No effect for the fifth observation, because these 4 are after fifth observation. So there is a no effect for the fifth observation. There is a no changes in the ascending order. So still the median is same 20. So if each of the largest 4 observation increased by 2, then no changes in the ascending order. So therefore the median is same fifth observation. So therefore median is 20.